Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do another experiment. So I'm recording on the HD recorders. Of course, one microphone is gonna be here. You can hear me very nice and clean. Also, speaker is gonna be straight to the microphone, and I have another microphone all the way down there recording the DSLR system. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe it, and end of the video I'm gonna put the playlist. Go ahead, watch all kind of crazy experiment with the speakers. And very soon we're gonna start the giveaway. We're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers, and we're coming very fast to that area, right? I opened my subscribers so you can see it, you can track how many subscribers we have to start the giveaways. So I have today Arnold's Niagara magnet is mounted, and the Sylvester's Niagara magnet is mounted. Sylvester 200 watt RMS, Arnold is going to be 300 watt RMS. Peak power, of course, 600 watts. Peak power is going to be 400 watts. Of course, $290. Of course, $250 per pair, right? It's $248, something like. It's all the ship with the 48 states. If you live in the United States, you guys lucky. It's free shipping. You're gonna get right away. Sound quality wise, I test with the other speakers, high-end speakers, double price speakers with this. So far, I like these speakers by the price, right? Price is right. Sound output is right. This is the mid-range speakers. You guys not gonna wait from these speakers punchy sound. If you install the Sylvesters, you're gonna tune the Sylvester 200 hertz, which is I did already, like 17,000 hertz, right? Arnold is gonna be played a little bit lower. It's gonna be 200 hertz also, and the 14,000 hertz. So it's gonna be up a little bit cut. If you cut the upper a little bit more than like 14,000, on my experience, they will play very nice. But still, you're not gonna receive a mid-bass punch on these speakers. These speakers is really loud and clean, plays really good, right? Let's do the test. I'm gonna run the same music with pretty much all my videos, so you guys can see the video to video, jump and see exactly sound quality, what I'm talking about. Let's start from Arnold. We're gonna start from the lower. I tuned the speakers already. I'm not gonna give the full range because no meaning to give them the bass, because they don't play the bass too much. I wanna play just the regular right now to see the difference.
Savoring this moment, is this our last goodbye?
If you're new to my channel, it's whatever button I press, that speaker will play. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.
Silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown.
When you cut the cross like a 200 hertz is when you're playing the lower, you need the subwoofer. It's not gonna play very well. So you gotta put a lot higher volume to make these, bad boys scream and the sound nicer. And we can give them some juice like I always do.
There ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let know you are flying
some reason I like the voice of the Sylvester, and even the Sylvester is higher, like 17,000 hertz, and the Arnold's 14,000 hertz. Arnold's plays, I can hear like a lot cleaner on the Arnold, like a higher end. But we'll see. Let me play this some vocals. So I'm gonna figure out, and we're gonna play a little bit higher. Very hard to, you know, see like the difference. Even this one's a 1.75 the inch voice coil. This one's 1.5. Yes, here's a difference, but the difference in the price. If you want to throw a little extra, you know, money, and you get the you know, extra RMS power, and it will play a little bit higher, definitely go with the Arnold. Even when you go with the Sylvesters, you're not gonna cut anything, you're not gonna get, you know, the difference like my previous videos. Like when you're spending a lot of monies, and when you're playing like together, the Arnold was killing those, you know, some speakers, some, you know, the big name speakers. So there is no such as difference. Even the price is gonna be like a little difference. But if you want to save some money and get, you know, Sylvesters, definitely go ahead. It's very nice playing the same company, you know, what you want to do. Deaf Bonce, they're doing like perfect mid-range speakers. Of course, you're gonna fill it up with the mid-bass speakers. They have a Hydra, all that stuff. Maybe I'm gonna test later on those speakers to fill it up with the, you know, the punch, nice, you know, the punchy sound with the mid-bass. But we're gonna find soon. So the conclusion, if you want, I can play another, you know, another music and a lot louder. So let me see. Let me play a little bit loud. This is already like it's loud, but I can give you a little bit more juice. Oh shit, you see that? What's happening here? In a lot higher volume, Sylvester's punch a lot stronger. You can hear it, but I don't know how. But let me play these parts one more time. Only this music gives the punch on the Sylvester. The Arnold's that you don't feel. Like I'm running both speakers exactly in the, you know, one channel, so it goes at both pluses, both minuses. Only the button is like separating them. But watch. Yeah, that's god. So that's it for conclusion. The both speakers are amazing. The plays is nice. Of course, handles some power. I always was scared to give them that much juice. But when you nicely tune like a straight, cut all the the bass like crazy, the garbage, and give them the clean sound like this one, they will play. They will scream. And don't even compare with these the component speakers with the extra tweeters. These guys are next level, guys. I'm keeps telling you, don't compare this with the JBLs or some kickers or some Rockford Foskes with the tweeters on the middle. Those are for the guys, kindergarten guys, like who's playing the Legos. But these guys it's grown up mans, right? For the legit beast, guys. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. I'm gonna run the next experiment. Arnold versus Sylvester, but it's gonna be ferrite magnets, right? Thank you, guys.